Hi students, I am Sergio Josephia. Today we are going to discuss the simple present tense and its uses. Though our general understanding of the meaning of the word tense is time, it differs in meaning. When time speaks about past, present, and future time period, tense is the study of the forms of the verb. Time has nothing to do with the grammar. Whereas tense is related to grammar of a language. Let us see an example. I am going to Mumbai next week. In this sentence, we notice that the verb is in the present tense, but the meaning it gives of a future time. Therefore, it is clear from the meaning of the above sentence that both time and tense are of two different things. If both of them were same, present tense would have given the present meaning. Let us see another example. If it rains, I shall stay at home. So, in the conditional sentences, we use simple present tense, and in the main clause, it is future tense. So, it is very clear from the above examples that time and tense are two different things. Now let us go to the uses of simple present tense. Simple present tense includes a sense of past, present, and future time. It would be called time neutral. Simple present tense is used to express universal truths and situations or facts that are permanent. Simple present tense is used to express universal truths and situations or facts that are permanent. For example, the sun rises in the east. It's a universal truth. Mosquitoes cause malaria. It's a fact. 2 plus 2 make 4. A magnet attracts iron filings. All these examples show that simple present tense is used to express universal truths and facts that are permanent. Let us go to the next use of simple present tense. To describe repeated actions, habits of persons, things which happen regularly, or characteristics of things. Simple present tense is used to describe repeated actions or habits of persons or things which happen regularly. For example, cats drink milk. That means cats are in the habit of drinking milk. The machine works very fast. He goes to bed at 11 o'clock every night. These examples show certain habits or repeated actions. Another use of simple present tense is to express abilities. For example, he sings well. She plays tennis very well. Now let us go to another use of simple present tense. To express actions in the immediate present. To express what is actually taking place in the immediate present or in exclamatory sentences. For example, here comes the leader. See how it looks. Here he comes. There goes the bus. Simple present tense is also used to express things that happen in a flash, often in our minds. For example, I agree with you. I rely on your support. This tense is also used when somebody is showing people how to do something. For example, make a cake and speaking as well as acting at the same time. I take 2 cups of flour, strain and put it in a bowl. I make a well in the flour, then break an egg into the well. Another use of simple present tense is to talk about the present situations. For example, my brother works in a factory. My house has large windows. Simple present tense is also used to express a future fixed action. For example, the school reopens on Friday. The match starts at 5 p.m. When does the college reopen? Next, simple present tense is used to show ownership or relationship. For example, this book belongs to me. She has 2 sons. He owns a big house. Another use of simple present tense is with the verbs of perception like see, hear, smell, taste, and feel. For example, I see her enjoying every moment. He feels for the poor. The rose smells sweet. Another use of simple present tense is in dramatic narratives. For example, the anxious spectators wait for the match to start. Here comes the referee with a whistle in his hand. The ball goes up in the air and the match starts with excitement. This type of narratives we hear in commentaries, cricket or football commentaries, we listen. Another use of simple present tense is in time clauses. Time clauses are introduced by conjunctions of times such as when, while, until, till, after, as soon as, no sooner than, and so on. For example, when you reach Chennai, I shall meet you. Another use of simple present tense is in scientific fact. Water freezes at 0 degrees centigrade. It is a scientific fact. Another use of simple present tense is to express human feelings or emotions or mental activity. For example, I love my country. I know that he can do this.